Now, I'm going to create another table. Notice it's case insensitive. I mean, usually you don't have to, it doesn't matter if lowercase or uppercase, although usually you'll notice it uppercase. This table name does matter. So if I do it with a capital T, then I always have to do it with capital T. Okay, create table test 2. I want to show you the dates. I'm going to call it date 1 is going to be a date. Oh, here, date 1, date. Date 2 is going to be a timestamp. Actually, I'm going to throw in a year. I'll do year just to show you something given. There's a lot of these. I mean, you can look up the different options. But let's say you wanted just a year, date. There's also date time, which is a date and time. I'm just doing a date. There's date and time. Timestamp is just like usually you'll want a timestamp for when was this record updated. Like anytime someone updates something in the database, the timestamp could get changed. I'm gonna put this at the end as like the last. Usually it's like at the end. All right, so I'll call not the most creative names. I'll make them more creative. Date. We'll call it. All right, it doesn't matter. I'll just say date 1, date 2, date 3, just for our purposes. We'll remember the first one is a date, the second one is a year, and the third one is a timestamp. And let's see. It's just for your benefit to show you what it is. All right, let's see what happens. I'm going to hit go. And it works. Now, if we go to our table called test 2, we have, you can always check the structure and you can see what you have. You have a date, the year, you can see at 4. I think you could put 2 or 4 digits, and the timestamp. So let's do it. Let's insert, I'm going to go to SQL. Insert into test 2 values. And we're going to put the date, the format matters. It's 8. Here, I think it's something like this, 0. All right, now the year first. And now I'm going to do, what was our other one? Year. I'm going to put 2018. And now for the last one, it was timestamp. I'm actually not going to put anything in it because the timestamp, if you don't put anything in it, it could just generate it for you exactly when you inserted this. So let's try this. I'm going to hit go. Error. Let's check what it is. Column count doesn't match. Oh, because I have to specify. If I'm not going to put all of the columns, then you have to specify the column names. So our first name was date 1. Our second one was date 2. If you put all, you never have to do this, but if you're only going to put some, you have to specify which one. So this was our date 1. This was going to go in date 2. Let's hit go. All right, now it worked. And if we go to test 2, I want to show you something. You can see, I mean, this will show you the results of a select star. You can also just type in select star. This is how it generates it. You can always do it yourself. Select star from test 2. Actually, this is capital. This will matter. Yeah, we have to make this lowercase. Go. All right. So now if we look at the results, this was exactly what I put in, the date. This was the year that I put in. But you notice I never put anything in for date 3, and it's a timestamp. So what's nice about timestamp, and this is, less useful in our class, more useful in the workplace. Anytime someone goes in and updates something or inserts something, they can have a timestamp that automatically gets generated, so you can see, oh, someone updated this row on 8/31/2018, which is actually today that I'm doing this video, at 12:03. Oh wow, it's getting late, right? 12:03 p.m. So no, I'm kidding, it's not late. But what's nice is it's putting in the exact time, and if I look at my clock, this is exactly the time. And what's nice about this for the workplace is you can always go back to this and know when this row was last updated, when the database entry was last updated, when it was last. I did it in an insert, but you could do it in an update as well. And anytime anything gets changed, the timestamp can get changed as well.